I can't resist this dessert. Place the wafers vertically around the perimeter of the pan. Fill the blender cup with biscuits. Grind the biscuits and put them in a bowl. Add melted butter and mix well. Shape a biscuit base in the pan. In the bowl with mascarpone, add powdered sugar. Mix into a firm cream. Whip the cream in a separate bowl. Add the whipped cream to the cream and mix until homogeneous. Divide the cream into 2 bowls. Pour Coca-Cola into the saucepan placed on the heat. Add starch and boil until it thickens. Mix the cream from the bowl with the cooled cola jelly. Put the cola cream in the pan and level the layer with a spatula. Chill for 1 hour. Cut strawberries into small pieces. Mix the cream from the second bowl with strawberries. Put the strawberry cream in the pan. Level the cream layer and chill for 1 hour. Mix instant coffee, cocoa, and sugar with hot water. Pour the drink into the glass. Add milk. Decorate with whipped cream. Pour melted milk chocolate over the cream layer and chill for another 2 hours. A delicate cake with notes of freshness, perfect for birthdays or events.